Hello students, welcome to SmartKidz tutorials. In this video we'll be constructing uh, circles with tangents from exercise 11.2. The question says draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameters, each at a distance of 7 centimeters from its center. Draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. In other words, what it's saying is we have a circle, the center, and this is 3 centimeters. Now this is its diameter. Okay, so if we take the center as O, and then with the extended diameters, which we say at a distance of 7 centimeters from the center, which means gets extended both sides, and this will be P, this will be Q, and then we need to draw a few more circles like this and like this, and then we'll have the uh, tangents drawn, something like this. Okay, so let us begin first by drawing a circle of 3 centimeters. Okay. Take the scale and we measure 3 centimeters because that's this radius of our first circle. Okay, so it's 3 centimeters. I'll take a point here. Here you go. So that is 3 centimeters. Next, I will make sure this mark this point as a O, and then I will draw 7 centimeters on both ends from the center. That will include its diameter as well. So one passing through this adapter here, 7 centimeters at both ends. I'll mark this as P and this as Q. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is draw two circles on either ends. For that we need two perpendicular bisectors, one between OP, one between OQ. For that we'll have to take our length, which will have to be more than 3 centimeters over here, actually more than nearly 4 you can say, because it has this entire length. OP is 7, so to draw perpendicular bisectors we need to take more than half of its length. That is extended it, and one length over here. I'll do it over here as well because we need to do it here as well, and I'll keep it on P. Mark this as P here, Q with the same length. I'll cut these arcs now, 1, 2, and I'll use the same measurement to cut these arcs as well, here and here. So now we can easily go and draw the two perpendicular bisectors here and here and here. Connect the perpendicular bisectors. There you go. And these as well. Yeah, so now we have got two perpendicular bisectors. All we need to do is construct circle. For that we'll mark these 2 points out here. mark this as L and M. So this L and M will become our new centers in order to construct two other circles. So first I'll begin with taking PM because that will be our new radius, and I'll construct a circle. Let's construct a circle with taking PM as a radius. Let's construct the circle. Here we go. We construct another circle. I think you can take the same measurement here as well. And we take L as our center and we'll construct another circle. Okay, like this. Here you go. So in this way we have constructed two more circles. Next we have to construct the tangents. So the first tangent will be from this point and this point, and we mark this as this. Let's mark this as R and S, and similarly we'll have to construct one from here as well to Q, and from here to Q, and we'll mark this also as let's say X and Y. Okay, and now I'll join P to R to get our first tangent. Here we go. And I will join P to S to get our next tangent this way. Then I will join X to Q to get our third tangent. Okay. Here. And then Y to Q to get the final tangent. So in this way we have constructed these circles with these tangents. So a total of 4 tangents you can see over here. Over here the tangents in this half we have PR and PS. These are our 2 tangents, and on this half we have XQ and YQ as our other 2 tangents, all coming from over here, this circle, tangents to this particular circle, but on either side. With the help of 2 other circles we could construct these tangents. Okay, so that's all that was asked in this question. So if you like watching this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon to receive updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.